Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out. We got this special package in yesterday. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I don't know what it is at this point. I get a lot of packages in. But we gonna see and we gonna find out. But y'all already know what it is because of the title of the video. But as of this moment, I don't know. So we gonna go ahead and get into it. Ross Wristwatch Love. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go, people. There. Hannibal Lecter that shit. You understand? Uh-oh. Cool. Now, before I show y'all, I'm gonna do a wrist check right quick. I'm rocking the vintage Seiko 5. You know what I mean? This is a beautiful freaking piece. But it's only fitting that I have this watch on and for the watch that I'm about to show y'all. Okay, it is a Seiko, so let's go ahead and open him up. Ooh. Of course, oops, here's the instructions and all that jazz, whatever. And here's the piece right here, so let's go ahead and open him up. And there it is, y'all. The Seiko 5. Alright. Now, there are 5 tenets of why this is called a Seiko 5. I like to call them the 5 commandments of the Seiko 5. You know what I mean? There has been variations of people making up stuff, but I'm finna tell y'all what the real is and what the 5 stand for in Seiko 5. Alright. 1. Automatic winding. 2. Day-date window. 3. Water resistance. 4. Unbreakable mainspring. Diaflex. And 5. Shock resistant design. Dia-shock. Alright. Now let's take a closer look at this piece right here. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? That is beautiful as hell. Yeah, look at that. Let's take it out. Right. It comes on a nice little nylon strap. I may put a NATO on it. I don't know yet. Because I'm kind of really feeling this nylon strap. You know what I'm saying? They got Seiko on it. Etched in the clasp. And it got a dope see-through case back. Where you can see that classic Seiko movement. You know what I mean? So, this is it, y'all. This is what's happening. The Seiko 5. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and try it on the wrist for y'all right quick. So just stand by. And there it is right there on the wrist, people, for y'all. One time. The Seiko 5 model number SNK807 2K. Right there in the building. Alright? You know what I mean? But you know what? I got something else to say. You know what I'm saying? If y'all watching this video, y'all have not subscribed to the channel yet, we have a giveaway going on. Giving away this beautiful Citizen Crystal watch. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. When we get to 500 subs, you have the chance of winning this beautiful Citizen piece. So holla at your boy P. Ross, Ross Wristwatch Love. And we out. Peace.